Thank you so much for your interest in joining our platform. I want to explain a little bit about what it is because I know that there's a lot of people who aren't in the US and might not be familiar with some of the concepts. Basically, if I had to compare this online marketplace, it would be a combination of Udemy, which if you're not familiar with them, I'm going to leave a link below for all of these websites. They offer online courses in all different topics, in all different languages, but primarily for adults. And then there's a website that's called Outschool, and they offer group classes online that are live, but only for minors. And then there's another website called TeachersPayTeachers, where teachers sell their lesson plans and activities, but it's primarily based in the USA. Udemy is worldwide, but the others are primarily in the USA. And I have sold and do sell on these websites, all three of them. They're all run by different people. They have different rules. And there's really no reason for a teacher to be on so many different websites when it's very easy to implement all of these ideas together. And at the same time, there's no reason that I have students that find me on one website that buy my materials on another website. Why not put everything in one place? So that's the idea behind Bilingual, is that parents, students, customers, teachers can find all of your resources that are offered for adults, children, lesson plans, bundles, live classes, courses, and they're all in one place. They're not looking all over the internet. And as a teacher and author, you're able to offer everything in both English and Spanish, which is going to increase your chances of making money, getting 2 or 3 sales instead of just one sale. So it's a win-win for everybody. So below, I'm going to leave a couple links of resources for you to check out these other websites and see what people are doing, what kind of items are popular, and then we'll go from there.